If you've been thinking about starting a printable or digital product business and you're worried that it's a recession and it's not going to do well, doesn't seem like the right time to start a business, you'll be surprised to know that a printables business is perfect to start during a recession. And the reason why I say this is that printables and digital products are usually quite a bit cheaper than if you were to buy the physical product. So say like a planner, if you buy a digital planner or a printable planner, that's way less expensive than if you buy like a hard copy of a planner. So this helps people to save money by buying printable items. Printables in general will sell well during a recession, but there are certain printables that will do even better during these times when people don't have as much money on hand, or they're trying to save money. So think about what printables you can make for people that will help them either save money or make money. And I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas here in a minute, but you'll be able to come up with way more than these if you think about those two things. What things can you help them with their finances, basically? So a few ideas for creating printables and digital products in this saving and making money space are like budget planners, bill trackers, cash envelope, and expenses trackers. Those are all going to help people keep track of their finances and plan out their financial future to help people with saving money. You could do printable cards for like birthdays, any holidays, occasions, because that, I don't know if you buy cards in the store, but those things are not cheap these days. So a printable version is much cheaper. Plus, they don't have to go to the store to get it. So they're saving gas and time. Another thing would be like coupons for Mother's Day, birthdays, Valentine's Day. These are like cute little gifts that people can give to their loved one, and they don't necessarily have to spend a bunch of money. They can put things on these like foot massage, for instance, or something like that, that they can actually do themselves and not have to pay for an actual gift. So this is a really great way to help people save money and still give their loved one a thoughtful gift. Another one to help save money is party decorations. So, people are still going to have parties when there's a recession, but they're probably going to be trying to do it a little more on a budget. So if you can offer party decorations, party invitations, thank you cards, those will all help people to save money and still be able to have an amazing party. On that same note, wedding on a budget printables will be very popular during a recession because people are still going to get married, but they might not have the budget that they had originally planned. So if you can help them out with all of the things that they need for their wedding, that's going to be super helpful to them. So you can do like favor tag, table numbers, photo booth props, decorations, invitations, thank you cards, a printable guest book. Another area to help people in during this time would be mental health printables. Like some people, if they're worried about money or having issues with money, they get very like depressed, worried, all the bad feelings. So if you can make like journals, affirmation cards, whatever you can think of that would help people with their mental health to get through the trying financial times that they might be having. Another thing that you could do is things to help people cut their business expenses. So if you can make like printable invoices, thank you cards, order forms, any of those kind of things, use your imagination. You don't have to do the same thing everyone else is doing, but think about how you can help people cut some of their business expenses because they may be having less sales in their business and need to kind of cut out some of those extra things that they've been paying for. Some other things you could do are activities to do instead of going out. So things for maybe like families or couples. You could do like printable games or printable activities, worksheets, things like that, that will give kids or families things to do together, or cute things that couples can do together. Now, if you want to go beyond printables and you want to do like courses or things like that, you can make any kind of courses that will help people save money, help people make money, help people save money around the house. Also, I'm just going to throw this in because I'm a blogger and a YouTuber. And so if there's anything that you could make a blog or a YouTube channel about in these same areas too, making money, saving money, this time during the recession is going to be when those things are really going to blow up. Like, people are going to be looking online for those things. So if that's something you ever want to delve into, making courses, a YouTube channel, a blog, all of those things are going to really blow up during this recession time. And the thing is, all of these ideas are not only going to be successful during a recession, but they're also going to be successful afterwards too, because people always want to save money and make money. So if you can help them with that, you'll have a long-standing business, and if people find your stuff really helpful, they're going to keep coming back to you over and over again in the future. This is just a tip of the iceberg. You use your imagination and come up with the most unique and amazing ideas you can, and you're going to just fly. I hope my ideas have helped you, sparked an inspiration in you, and got your creative juices flowing so that you can come up with some amazing products that'll become bestsellers for you during the recession. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button, because it really helps me here on YouTube with the algorithm and getting pushed out to more people. I appreciate you so much. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.